Welcome to Darjeeling, a mountain town that looks like it's been sculpted from colorful clay. Nestled in the lap of the Himalayas, this enchanting place feels like a scene straight out of a dream, where every building and winding street seems lovingly crafted by hand. Perched high in the Himalayas, Darjeeling's houses cling to steep green hills, and the air is crisp and cool. Mist drifts through the valleys in the early morning, wrapping the town in a soft, magical blanket. The scent of pine trees and fresh mountain air fills your lungs, making every breath feel refreshing and new. The real showstopper here is Kanchenjunga, the world's third highest mountain, glowing pink and gold at sunrise. As the first rays of sunlight touch its snowy peaks, the entire landscape is bathed in a warm golden glow that feels almost otherworldly. It's a sight that draws travelers from all over the world, eager to witness this daily miracle. Winding roads, bright toy-like cars, and cheerful locals in colorful hats make every corner a delight. The streets are alive with laughter, music, and the aroma of delicious street food. Every turn reveals a new surprise, perhaps a hidden tea stall, or a friendly face ready to share a story. The town buzzes with life, yet feels peaceful, like stepping into a storybook. Markets brim with vibrant produce and handmade crafts, while the gentle hum of daily life creates a soothing backdrop. It's a place where excitement and tranquility blend perfectly. Get ready to explore sunrises, tiny trains, and magical views in this clay-like wonderland. The famous Darjeeling Himalayan Railway chugs along the hillsides, offering breathtaking vistas at every turn. Each moment here feels like a new adventure waiting to unfold. Darjeeling isn't just a place, it's an experience, where every view is a picture-perfect frame. From panoramic mountain scenes to charming hillside homes, every sight is a feast for the eyes and the soul. Are you ready for the adventure? Smashing! Let's dive into the magic of Darjeeling together and see what wonders await around every bend. Our journey begins at the legendary Tiger Hill, a place where the magic of dawn draws travelers from all over the world. Here, you rise before the first light, wrapped in the cool embrace of the early morning air, anticipation buzzing in the quiet darkness. You join a gentle procession of fellow adventurers, climbing a winding road beneath a sky still scattered with stars. Each step brings you closer to the summit, where the promise of a spectacular sunrise awaits. As the horizon begins to glow a deep orange, the sky above transforms into a breathtaking canvas. Shades of pink and purple swirl together, as if a master artist is blending soft clay with every brushstroke. The world feels hushed, suspended in this magical moment. Suddenly, the sun peeks over the edge, casting golden rays that dance across the snowy peaks of Kanchenjunga. The mountains, now bathed in shimmering light, look like delicate sculptures carved from pure gold and silver, their beauty almost unreal. All around, people stand in silent awe, their faces lit by the first warmth of the day. It's a magical moment, one that feels both intimate and grand, as if the whole world is waking up together to witness this daily miracle. On especially clear mornings, if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of Mount Everest itself, its distant silhouette rising above the clouds, reminding you just how close you are to the roof of the world. As the sun climbs higher, the chill of dawn fades. You can warm your hands and heart with a steaming cup of Darjeeling tea, offered by a friendly local vendor, the aroma mingling with the crisp mountain air. Tiger Hill is more than just a viewpoint. It's the perfect beginning to our adventure, a place where wonder and breathtaking beauty set the tone for the journey ahead. Are you ready to see what else awaits? Next, we visit Darjeeling's famous tea gardens, rolling hills blanketed in vibrant green. Neat rows of tea bushes create mesmerizing patterns, tended by skilled tea pickers in colorful clothes. Their rhythmic plucking is like a gentle dance, filling the air with laughter and the scent of fresh leaves. Visit a tea estate to see how leaves are transformed into the world's finest tea, fragrant, delicate, and unique. Darjeeling tea is called the champagne of teas for its one-of-a-kind flavor. Walking these lush hills, you feel connected to nature and the art of tea making. It's a calming, unforgettable experience. all aboard the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, the legendary toy train. This tiny steam engine, with its colorful carriages, chugs slowly through town, right past shops and houses. The whistle echoes as you climb into the mountains, passing forests, bridges, and sharp curves. Sit by the window and watch the world roll by, green valleys below, snowy peaks above. The toy train is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, built in the 1800s and celebrated for its bold engineering. Riding it feels like traveling through time, a wobbly, whimsical adventure. It's a must-do for anyone visiting Darjeeling. Ready for the next stop? The toy train brings us to the famous Batasia Loop, a marvel of engineering where the track spirals gracefully around a lush, vibrant garden. As the train winds its way along the hillside, you can feel the excitement build, knowing you're about to witness one of Darjeeling's most iconic sights. From this unique vantage point, you're treated to a breathtaking 360-degree view of Darjeeling town, nestled among rolling hills, with the majestic Kanchenjunga towering in the distance. The foreground bursts with colorful flowers, making the scene look almost magical, especially on a clear morning when the mountains seem close enough to touch. In the center of the loop stands a solemn war memorial, honoring the brave Gorkha soldiers who served the nation. This peaceful spot, surrounded by manicured gardens and fluttering prayer flags, invites visitors to pause and reflect on the region's rich history and the sacrifices made by its people. Just a short walk away is the Padmaya Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, a unique zoo set on the slopes of the mountains. It's not just any zoo. It's dedicated to the conservation of rare and endangered Himalayan species, making it a must-visit for animal lovers and nature enthusiasts alike. Here you can spot the adorable red panda, with its bushy tail and playful antics, as well as the elusive snow leopard, a true symbol of the high Himalayas. Both animals are part of vital conservation efforts, and seeing them up close is a rare treat. The zoo's winding hillside paths make every visit feel like a gentle trek through the mountains. As you walk along, you'll pass enclosures that blend seamlessly into the landscape, offering close encounters with these unique creatures in a setting that feels wild and natural. It's a wonderful place for families and curious minds to learn, explore, and marvel at the wonders of Himalayan wildlife. Every corner offers something new to discover, from fascinating animal facts to stunning views of the surrounding peaks. Together, the Batasia Loop and the Himalayan Zoo create an unforgettable experience, two highlights that capture the spirit and beauty of Darjeeling, blending history, nature, and adventure in one magical journey. As we move onward, let's take a moment to soak in the peace and tranquility of these special places before our next adventure begins. Now we find calm at the Peace Pagoda, a gleaming white dome atop a hill. Built to inspire harmony, its golden statues and carved panels tell the story of the Buddha's life. Walk around the pagoda, spin prayer wheels, and soak in the tranquil atmosphere. The view from here is breathtaking, panoramic vistas of Darjeeling and the Himalayas. The Peace Pagoda is one of over 80 worldwide, spreading a message of peace and non-violence. It's a place to pause, reflect, and let mountain calm fill your heart. Visiting here connects you to a global movement for peace. Ready for one last adventure? Our final stop is Darjeeling's bustling markets, Chaurasta and Mall Road. These lively streets are packed with colorful shops, local crafts, and the aroma of fresh tea and momos. Watch children play, vendors sell treats, and ponies offer rides in the cheerful town square. Hunt for souvenirs, handmade jewelry, prayer flags, and cozy sweaters. Every item tells a story, a perfect reminder of your adventure. Darjeeling is more than a destination. It's a world of color, warmth, and wonder. From sunrise to markets, every moment here is a grand day out. Thanks for joining our claymation journey. See you in Darjeeling.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.